Hey everybody, I'm Willow with Willow Trades, and we are on Monday, 8/12/2024. So this is the CPI week for August, big week. End of the last week, I had a lot of technical difficulties, so did not wind up trading a lot. Had a, a power outage, and then we had an internet outage the following day, and I think that probably was related, but it really screwed with what I had going on. Didn't matter. At the end of the day, there's always another opportunity, and here we are today. So this channel is for those of you who are on the trading journey or thinking about getting on the trading journey and really want to figure out what it means to be a day trader. I have been day trading for about 2 years, and I've taken to making these videos for people who are on the path just like I was, who might be getting frustrated, might be having stumbling blocks. Hey, it happens to us all. Here I am, here to share my journey with you. Hopefully, you'll learn something from it. Maybe you'll see something that I'm doing that I can also do better. I always love that. I look at this channel as more of a collaboration between us all. Well, let's go ahead and get started with today's watch list, and then hopefully we'll get a good trade today. And I'd like to get to recording trades live so everybody can follow along and kind of give their ideas. In order to do that, I need more subscribers. So click like, hit subscribe. I'll remind you at the end. Let's jump into the watch list. Okay, so those of you know, I primarily trade SPX and SPY, sometimes QQQ. I have not gotten into futures yet. I am thinking about getting into futures because I've got a strategy that I've been watching for the last couple, maybe 3 weeks. But here's what I like to see. The chart is actually moving up, as you can tell. And if we were to actually go back out, let's go ahead and maximize this one. This is the SPY chart. Yes, I know my chart is a little noisy. Primary thing on watch for me is here. I'm looking at this fib, and if you notice, this fib is right about here for the 61%. And the 61% comes up today, and I am looking at that as a reject. That is probably my primary thing. So I expect that we're going to get above pre-market high, and then we're going to move on up and probably reject right here off of the 61%. Also notice that I have another fib there for a different reason. So that to me means that this is a high target area. You also have the previous all-time high that was there. This probably happened a couple months ago. And I'm looking at that as my primary trade today. I'm looking for a reject. It'll probably be a small reject. I think light volume is going to be here today. It's a Monday, which usually has a lot of range to it. You never know, could get something very unexpected, but I'm expecting see a little bit of range because tomorrow is PPI. So either there'll be a range or toward the end of the day, people will start taking their bets on what PPI is going to be. The really risky traders, I am going to sit that part of it out and wait for one of my setups to show up. Okay. So I'm looking at that. And when I look at what's happening on QQQ, there's kind of a very similar thing happening. So usually when I see two similar things coming to fruition, you got a 61.8 that's right above here. We went through the 50. Notice that we actually had some reject off the 50 here. So, a couple days ago, I think that was about Wednesday, you had a reject there. And for me, that's symbolizing that this fib is actually probably active. So I'm looking for a move up, a reject back, and it'll probably range in between that or this 8-2, or we'll go get this 8-2 gap. Now, mind you, there are about, let's go ahead and zoom in on that. The gap is probably, see here, about $1.50 away. Okay, about $1.50 away. So there's a chance if I see a lot of strength coming in here and it's going for that 8-2 gap, then I am going to be looking for it to move up and get the 8-2 gap and then reject. But really, the 61% stands out to me. 61.8% fib. I got a 70.7, which is a partial fib right above it at 459. I don't think we make it all the way up there without a bounce. So we go up, come back down. Let's draw that again. So more than likely we go up, come back down, and go all the way up here if we go get the 70 70.7. I really feel like we're going to reject somewhere in this range. And my primary targets for that is 61.8 and then the 8-2 gap. So this is a QQQ chart. So that's what I'm looking at primarily. If we start breaking down and we come back and we break down below, I'm going to look for a retest and a move down. That's my plan for today. Those of you, I'll be watching this level at about 454.50. That's primarily what I'm going to be watching, and a secondary level all the way up to 455.98. So you see there's $1.50 there. So I expect the reject to happen first, probably be small, and then move up, and then it'll be a secondary reject. So that's what I'm looking for today on our SPY and QQQ charts. Definitely, like I said, click like and subscribe. Follow me on the journey. Want to do more live trading on this chart? On this platform. Hopefully, a lot of people can learn from it, and also I can learn as well. I'm Willa with Willa Trades. Click like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell, and we look forward to seeing you on a future video.